It's a very surreal experience to actually hold the book that I've been working on for so long. It feels a little bit like it's an outer body experience because it's my book. It's quite a personal story, and now it's out there. And all I can do is just let it be out there and not be attached to anything that's happening. Sort of a self-reflective read. I think the experiences underneath are recognizable, and I'm hoping that this book will cause a lot of conversations that we really need to have in this time. Like, who am I in this time? It's not what can I do in the world, but who am I? If I really want to take responsibility of who I am with all my actions in the world, who am I? And then through a very personal, sometimes very funny story, you get to reflect on who you are and who you want to be. The bird that is on the book, the raven, is me, with big rainbow-colored wings, which is also the ink on my chest. And I called it a memoir and manifesto because it's not just a memoir, it's also a bit of a manifesto for who we are in this time, the world that we live in. Have a look at what that world is and then place yourself in it and then ask yourself the question, who do you want to be within the context that we're seeing? And that's a bit of a manifesto-ish side of this book.